In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Base44. We're going to walk through how to join their affiliate program step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get yourself set up to start earning commissions by promoting Base44. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see either your profile icon or your workspace profile. This might appear as a small avatar, a logo, or your initials. Go ahead and move your mouse to that top right area and click on the profile or workspace icon. This click will open a small drop-down menu with different options related to your account and workspace settings. Take a moment to scan through that menu. You're looking specifically for the option that says Become an Affiliate. It might be listed alongside other account-related actions like settings, billing, or sign out. Once you spot Become an Affiliate, click on it. That single click is what starts the process of joining the Base44 affiliate program. You don't need any special preparation before this. You just need your active account and access to this menu. After you click Become an Affiliate, Base44 will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts may include accepting the affiliate terms and conditions, confirming some basic details about your account, and possibly providing information about how you plan to promote Base44, such as whether you'll use a website, social media, or an email list. Take your time with these screens. Read through any agreements carefully so you understand how commissions work, when you get paid, and what kinds of promotions are allowed. If there are required fields, make sure everything is filled out accurately. This helps avoid any issues later when you start earning referrals. As you continue following the prompts, you will eventually complete the enrollment process. The interface may confirm that your affiliate account is active or under review, depending on how Base44 handles new applications. Once you're approved, you'll typically gain access to your affiliate dashboard, where you can find your unique referral links, track clicks and signups, and monitor your earnings. So, to recap the flow, open your Base44 dashboard, click your profile or workspace icon in the top right,